My dearest Kathryn, after 1 year of engagement, our day is finally here. I have written many heartfelt letters to you before, so I will keep this central to what this day means. Ephesians 5 says, "Husbands, love your wife just as Christ loved the church and gave himself up to her to make her holy, cleansing her by washing with water through the word, and to present her to himself as a radiant church without stain or blemish or wrinkle, but holy and blameless. In the same way, husbands ought to love their wives as their own bodies. He who loves his own wife loves himself. After all, no one hated their own body, but they feed and care for their body just as Christ does the church. For this reason, a man will leave his father and mother to be united to his wife, and the two will become one flesh. It is my vow to you, Kathryn, to follow Christ's example as he loved us and died for us. I do not know what the future will hold and the ups and downs that will come with it, but I promise to love, provide, and protect you for the rest of this life and the next. I love you, Kathryn Campbell, and I am blessed every day that Christ puts you in my life."
Dawson, the day we have prayed for is finally here. Our forever starts now. From the moment I came home from our first date, I knew you were going to be my husband. You are my answered prayer, my greatest gift, and the love of my life. I'm honored to be your wife. Dawson, here are my promises to you. I promise to spend the rest of my life loving you. I promise to serve you and submit to you, as I trust that you always seek God first. I promise to pray for you and always pray with you, even in times of struggle. I vow to laugh with you and be your silly goose until we're gray and old. Dawson, you are my inspiration, my rock, my strength. I am so lucky that I get the joy of spending the rest of my life with you. I not only have full faith in you as a husband, but I know that you are going to be the best dad to our future children. You are my protector and my safe space. I believe my dad would be so proud of the man who now gets to take care of me for the rest of my life. With the help of God's grace, I will choose you every single day until Jesus calls us home. Bebe, I love you to the moon and back. I'm so excited for our future. Now let's go become husband and wife. I love you.